Hey, this is Edgar with Engadget, and we're here at the Day of the Dev Space at GDC 2018, where I just got done playing this weird, colorful golf game called What the Golf. So if you're thinking, oh, I love golf and I want to play this, you should probably take a step back because it's definitely not a game for golf lovers. So this is being pegged as the anti-golf game by developer Triband, who actually just raised $50,000 on Fig, a site like a Kickstarter or Indiegogo where people can crowdfund games like this. So the game itself consists of different levels where you actually don't use a golf ball to make it to the hole. So there are things like you can use like a horse, you can use a house, you can use soccer balls, you can use even the golf clubs themselves. I think we have a golf club? Yeah, so it's a golf club that's now acting as the ball, which is what? The golf. Now here, I don't see any balls anywhere, so there are some kitties in here for whatever reason. So let's see if we can kind of get past them, and there we go. We got another hole-in-one. What the golf. My favorite part of What the Golf was when it actually turned into a mini soccer game. So instead of using a golf ball again, we were using soccer balls to try to make it to the hole, which in this case, the hole was a soccer goal. And now we scored a goal while playing golf, which like, what the golf. And as you progress, the levels start getting harder. So at one point, there were soccer defenders coming at me, trying to keep me from making it to the goal. I play FIFA a lot, so I think that comes in handy here. Another thing you have to worry about is that you're playing in this sort of cliff, right, or a mountain, and you have to worry about going out of bounds. So if you shoot too hard, you can go out of bounds, and then you have to start the level over. Unfortunately, there's no release date for this game or price, but we do know it's coming to PC, Mac, and also mobile. The latter is very important because the levels are so short that they will be perfect for you to play on the iPhone or an Android phone. So that's it for me playing What the Golf. For more from GDC 2018, stay tuned to Engadget.com. What the Golf.